What is BBL? What is liquid BBL? What are the risks, differences, complications? We are going to cover all these topics, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Rado. I'm a certified plastic surgeon. I've been doing plastic surgery for 20 years and I do BBLs, Brazilian butt lifts. And today we are going to talk about the differences between the liquid BBL or surgical BBL. That means fat transfer, or the liquid BBL where mainly dermal fillers are used instead of the fat. Let's start with traditional Brazilian butt lift or BBL. The procedure has been around for approximately 40 years and it has evolved immensely. Basically, it consists of fat harvesting and then transfer to your butt or buttock, where we do shaping, contouring and lift and enhancement of the projection. How does the surgery work? Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, we do liposuction or fat harvesting, where the intention is actually to preserve the fat, a very good quality fat. The second step is fat processing, where it's put into the syringes ready for grafting. And the third step is the fat injection or grafting under the ultrasound guidance to a very specific layer on your buttock. So as you can see, this procedure actually combines two procedures at the same time. The first one is the fat harvest or liposuction, where we do the sculpting. We harvest the fat from the problematic areas, from multiple body areas, which we need to reshape and make sure they remain beautiful. And then we utilize that fat for the buttock enhancement. As you can see, it requires a trained individual and needs to be performed under safe environment with a direct ultrasound guidance. And I emphasize that it's safety first procedure. Now let's talk about liquid BBL. Liquid BBL is often marketed as non-surgical alternative to Brazilian butt lift. Liquid BBL consists of injecting dermal fillers in large volumes to the buttock area to create that projection. However, usually is performed by non-medical professionals. The main concern for liquid BBL is actually safety. The procedure itself, when performed correctly by the trained professional in a correct environment, is a fantastic intervention. However, in reality, it's rarely performed by plastic surgeons. Majority of practitioners, they perform this procedure are untrained in unsafe environment under poorly hygienic conditions, and rarely, if ever, are able to deal with complications that can have severe consequences. So where does the liquid BBL fit into body contouring procedures? Where you do not have enough fat, you have a small deformity where a relatively small volume would be enough to correct it, is a perfect alternative to a fat transfer. If performed under sterile environment, trained medical professional, for the correct reason, a correct patient. On the other hand, the surgical Brazilian butt lift, when performed by a certified surgeon in a certified facility, will not only give you that nice lasting projection of your bum with your own fat, but also a narrow waist, flat tummy, or it will address the problematic areas and put the fat in the areas of need. So the end result should be a nice sculpted body with a nice projecting buttock. At our clinic, we strictly follow national guidelines and international standards associated with this surgery. We have a highly trained team of professionals that help with this procedure. We use state-of-the-art equipment and we follow safety protocols step by step as required by the regulatory authorities. If you are considering enhancement of your body or improvement of your contours, please make sure you choose the right procedure that is a right fit for you, is done by the trained professional, and it's done in safe environment. Please do your homework before you proceed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We are very happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested, please don't forget to subscribe on more tips or education videos on cosmetic surgery.